Alright baby, you keep whining. Well on Don. There's another wahoo in the boat. Alright. Whine baby, whine. Work those muscles. Alright, so we're fishing with Don. We're on, what's our boat called, Don? Don, what's our boat called?
Alright, Wahoo, we got some Wahoo.
We got Wahoo, what's the boat's name?
Hot Shot.
Hot Shot! We're fishing with Don, we're off the coast of Barbados, west coast, opposite Sandy Lane. And Tamarind Cove. Marion's into her second fish. Winding hard. Go on baby, wind. Get that fish in. We're hoping for a kingfish.
Oh, he's still there.
You gotta wind. He's coming with us. Just wind, wind, wind baby. Wind, wind, wind. Just swim, swim, wind, 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 wind. Wind till you can't wind no more. Wind baby, where are those muscles? Let's see some French beef. Come on baby, wind. Well done, keep winding. Here he comes. Is he a wahoo again? Another wahoo. Alright. In she comes. Yeehaw! Another wahoo. Fishing on Hot Shot. Barbados style. Alright.